Ormoc Mayor Richard Gomez has announced that the local government has set aside 350 million pesos for the city's COVID-19 vaccine. The decision was made with the help of the Ormoc City COVID-19 Vaccine Council, a body created by Gomez in December 2020. The members of the council are top city officials and representatives of the private sector tasked to study ways and means to implement the COVID-19 vaccination program. Gomez says the goal is 100% vaccination for all Ormocanos.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.